Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these cards are for your general energies, Aquarius. I'll be picking more cards from another deck. So, this is for your relationship, guys. This card, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's Fever link. She is a very good intuitive reader, so you can contact her if you want more clarity, guys. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. If you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Nine of Moons in reverse, Four of Moon, and Seven of Suns in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are going through some situation, some kind of doubts you have, and circumstances are not clear for you. You don't know what you will be able to accomplish. So, you have a circumstance that is making you really anxious, doubting your, making you doubt your, talents and skills, making you think about what should be the next step. You're quite anxious. And maybe there may be some circumstances you faced, something that has made you think a lot today, given you a lot of doubts, some kind of lack of clarity, or you're feeling stuck today. So, some kind of difficult circumstance is there in your life today, in your circumstances today. So, I have my pet bird joining me here today, guys. He's speaking to me right now. Okay, so maybe in your circumstances. Hi, Berry. Say hi to everyone. Turn here, baby. Okay. So, you have a lot of thoughts, a lot of thinking to do, and you are planning something. You have some important plans. And that may be the reason you want to do things the right way. And you feel that you have faced a lot, or you have something of your past worrying you. You don't want to go through that again, go through that circumstances again today. That may be the reason for this deep thought. This may be something to do with your relationship, because you feel that you have done something wrong, maybe some wrong decisions, because you are someone really honest and you speak honestly, but people may not like you speaking what you feel like speaking, guys. Maybe your honest words are hurting them. It may be your energy or the someone's energy towards you. So people may not like you speaking the truth. Maybe, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the love guidance for you all. This is an oracle card. We will see what is the guidance for you all with this card for your relationship first. In. So, this card just means that you need to allow things to happen. This is you letting others, giving power to others, empowering others to make that first move. That way, you will know what that person is thinking of you. So, maybe this doubt or confusion, whatever you have, will resolve if you let them speak. So, if they speak, you will know what is in their mind. And maybe sometimes you will be in for a pleasant surprise, guys, Aquarius. So, for your career circumstance, what is the guidance? It is regeneration. So, whatever was the situation, maybe some kind of troubles or some kind of mistakes that you did, it does not matter. New opportunities are coming to you, there are better offers waiting for you. So, you need not dwell over the past or feel a pain or loss over what has happened. Be ready for a rebirth happening in your career situation, Aquarius. So, that is the energy with these cards, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, Sunstone. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you need to free yourself of all that old patterns, maybe the past hurt, whatever was holding you back, whatever was limiting your potential. And you need to understand that you can do anything you set your mind on. So you need to feel really positive and you need to break away from all those obstacles that is holding you back, that is making you stuck. So if you are feeling little toxic in this present relationship and you feel that this relationship is not working, you are free to move away from it, start a new one, or transform this relationship into something which you love, something which you want it to be. You can never control another person or you can never control a set of circumstances, but you always have a freedom of choice. So, this freedom includes stopping the way you are going about your life and connecting with the higher spirit or universe, asking for guidance and help. So that way you'll be making a good choice, a best choice. And there are no limits for your skills and talents, guys. So there is no limit, same way there is no limit for love. So if you want a better circumstance for yourself, you need to free yourself today and you need to understand that a much better circumstance is waiting for you and you need to give up all that past hurt or past negativity, whatever is holding you back. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the goose girl. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances, it may be your energy or someone close to you, it may be their energy. Maybe someone has wronged this person very badly and they are creating a lot of troubles for this person because of envy or jealousy. But you need to understand that a true loving heart will always triumph, and truth will always triumph, and justice will be done no matter what your circumstances are. And people love you for what you are and not for your status or not for the possessions you have, but for that true loving nature of yours. And if someone is really jealous and envious and is wronging, doing wrong things to you, wrong to things to someone who is a truly innocent soul, truly kind soul, that jealousy and envy will go back to them and it will not affect this person, guys. You need to understand that. And truth will be revealed. And there is no one who can copy you today, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and no one will be able to copy us or step into our shoes. So we have our place in this world, just like each and every one of us as our own place, and there is no one who can take that place. You can be rest assured of that, guys. So that is the energy here with this card. And maybe today, whatever problems you are facing, very soon it is all going to change. It is all going to resolve, guys. So this may be your energy, or it may be someone really close to you. It may be their energy here, guys. So they have been really wronged by people who are simply jealous or envious about them. But everything will be back to what it was, to that good state like before, very soon, guys. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.